How do you make your sink kosher for Passover? Very easy. What you do is you clean the sink, you make sure there's nothing on it, you use some chemical cleaner, a spray, and then you wait 24 hours. After 24 hours, if your sink is from Nirosta metal, very easy, you're going to pour boiling hot water all over the sink, and you can use that sink on Passover. If the sink is not made out of metal Nirosta, then what you're going to do is you cannot technically make clay or porcelain, etc., kosher for Passover. So what you're going to do is you're going to go on Google and you're going to search for a sink insert. You pour hot water, obviously, on the sink the way you would in a metal sink, but nonetheless, you're also going to put an insert, and also try not to use hot water that's too hot. If you've been stuck in a place that you're not able to order a sink insert, and so you have a sink that is not metal, and you have a sink that you did clean it, you waited 24 hours, you poured boiling hot water, you can use that sink, but only with water that's not too hot, which anyways people tend to do. So make sure you don't go above 45 Celsius or 100 Fahrenheit with the water you're using, and make sure the water is really cool when you're using it on Passover. If you have a plastic insert, just go on Google, Google sink insert for Passover. You're going to find plenty of them. Not so many on Amazon, by the way, but lots and lots on Google. Then with the insert, you have more leeway with the hot water, but even then, try and keep it not too hot. And you're set with your sink for Passover. Please feel free to leave any questions or comments.